In a time not so far from now, the Earth experienced an extraordinary event that would change the course of human history forever. One peaceful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, an otherworldly spacecraft descended from the heavens and gently landed in a remote valley. The world watched in awe and wonder as the spacecraft's doors opened, revealing beings unlike anything humanity had ever seen. They were graceful, with iridescent skin that shimmered in a myriad of colors, and their eyes sparkled with wisdom and compassion. These beings were the Altherians, a highly advanced and benevolent alien civilization from a distant star system. With a message of peace and unity, the Altherians extended a hand of friendship to Earth's leaders, offering to share their incredible technology for the betterment of all. They explained that they had been observing Earth for centuries, hoping to find a time when humanity was ready to embrace the gifts of the cosmos. As representatives of nations across the globe gathered to meet the Altherians, skepticism and fear gave way to curiosity and hope. The Altherians, led by their wise elder council, patiently answered every question and addressed every concern. They spoke of their deep respect for all living beings and their commitment to preserving the delicate balance of nature. With their advanced technology, the Altherians demonstrated solutions to some of Earth's most pressing challenges. They introduced clean and limitless energy sources that would end humanity's dependence on fossil fuels. They shared medical advancements that could cure diseases once thought incurable. And they revealed environmental innovations that could heal the scars inflicted on the planet by decades of neglect. As days turned into weeks, the Altherians and humans formed deep connections, learning from one another's cultures and traditions. Friendship blossomed, and barriers were broken down as people from different corners of the Earth embraced the wisdom of the cosmos. One evening, under a starlit sky, a grand celebration was held to honor the bond between Earth and Altheria. Humans and Altherians danced together, their hearts united by a shared vision of a harmonious and prosperous world. But the Altherians knew that their mission on Earth was not merely about sharing technology, it was about igniting a spark of unity and compassion within every human heart. They encouraged Earth's inhabitants to recognize their interconnectedness, reminding them that every action they took could ripple across the universe. As the years passed, Earth transformed into a beacon of hope and inspiration, becoming a model for peaceful coexistence among all living beings. Humans took the gifts of the Altherians and used them to create a world where hunger, poverty, and inequality were distant memories. The Altherians, with tears of joy in their eyes, bid farewell to their earthly friends, knowing that their mission had been a resounding success. They promised to return one day to witness the continued evolution of humanity. From that moment on, the story of the Altherians and Earth became a legend, passed down through generations as a reminder of the beauty and potential that lies within each soul. And in the vast expanse of the cosmos, a newfound alliance of unity and love illuminated the darkness. For the bond between Earth and Altheria would forever shine as a testament to the power of compassion and cooperation. Let's go through some vocabulary words used in the story, along with their meanings and example sentences. Benevolent, showing kindness and goodwill, having a desire to help others. Example sentence: the benevolent stranger offered food and shelter to the homeless family. Iridescent, displaying a play of lustrous, rainbow-like colors that change with the angle of light. Example sentence: the butterfly's wings were iridescent, reflecting brilliant hues as it fluttered in the sunlight.
Compassion, noun, a feeling of deep sympathy and concern for the suffering or misfortune of others. Example sentence: the nurse showed compassion to her patients, comforting them during their difficult times. Skepticism, noun, an attitude of doubting or questioning the truth or validity of something. Example sentence: despite the evidence, there were still some scientists who held skepticism about the new theory. Incurable, adjective, not able to be healed, treated, or remedied. Example sentence: the doctor informed the patient that their condition was incurable, but they could manage the symptoms. Innovations, noun, new ideas, methods, or technologies that lead to significant changes or improvements. Example sentence: the company's latest innovations in renewable energy made headlines worldwide. Interconnectedness. Noun, the state of being connected or linked with each other. Example sentence. The concept of interconnectedness in ecology emphasizes the delicate balance of ecosystems. Harmonious. Adjective marked by agreement, accord, or peace. Pleasing and balanced in arrangement. Example sentence. The musicians played in perfect harmony, creating a beautiful and harmonious melody. Coexistence. Noun, the state of living together peacefully despite differences or conflicting interests. Example sentence. The diverse community embraced coexistence, celebrating their various cultures and traditions. Prosperous. Adjective, successful and thriving, especially financially. Example sentence. The town experienced a prosperous period of economic growth after attracting new businesses. Evolution. Noun, the gradual development and change over time, often resulting in improvement or adaptation. Example sentence. The theory of evolution explains how species have evolved and diversified over millions of years. Resounding. Adjective, complete and emphatic, marked by a strong response or reaction. Example sentence. The team's victory was resounding, with fans cheering loudly in celebration. Testament. Noun, evidence or proof of something's existence or truth. A solemn declaration or statement. Example sentence. The ancient ruins served as a testament to the civilization that once thrived there. Beacon. Noun, a guiding or signaling light, often used as a symbol of hope or inspiration. Example sentence. The lighthouse acted as a beacon, guiding ships safely through treacherous waters. Alliance. Noun, a formal agreement or union between groups or individuals with shared interests or goals. Example sentence. The countries formed an alliance to tackle climate change and promote sustainable practices. Passive voice is a useful grammatical construction that shifts the focus of a sentence from the subject performing the action to the object receiving the action. In writing, it can be used to create a more formal or objective tone, emphasize the receiver of the action, or obscure the doer of the action. Let's rewrite some sentences from the story in the passive voice. Active voice. The Altherians extended a hand of friendship to Earth's leaders. Passive voice. A hand of friendship was extended to Earth's leaders by the Altherians. Active voice. Humans took the gifts of the Altherians and used them to create a world. Passive voice. The gifts of the Altherians were taken by humans and used to create a world. Active voice. The Altherians shared medical advancements that could cure diseases. Passive voice. Medical advancements that could cure diseases were shared by the Altherians. Active voice. They introduced clean and limitless energy sources. Passive voice. Clean and limitless energy sources were introduced by them. Active voice. The Altherians demonstrated solutions to Earth's challenges. Passive voice. Solutions to Earth's challenges were demonstrated by the Altherians. Active voice. Earth transformed into a beacon of hope and inspiration. Passive voice. A beacon of hope and inspiration was transformed into by Earth. Active voice. The Altherians encouraged Earth's inhabitants to recognize their interconnectedness. Passive voice. Earth's inhabitants were encouraged to recognize their interconnectedness by the Altherians. Active voice. The Altherians had been observing Earth for centuries. Passive voice. Earth had been observed by the Altherians for centuries. Active voice. They promised to return one day to witness the continued evolution of humanity. Passive voice. A promise to return one day to witness the continued evolution of humanity was made by them. Active voice. Humans embraced the wisdom of the cosmos. Passive voice. The wisdom of the cosmos was embraced by humans. Using passive voice can add variety to your writing and highlight different elements of a sentence. However, it's essential to use passive voice judiciously, as too much of it can make your writing sound wordy or less engaging. A mix of active and passive voice can help maintain a good flow and keep your writing attractive and dynamic.